In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a zero axis in Tableau. This is a handy trick to align your data starting from zero, ensuring clarity when analyzing trends and comparisons. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to launch Tableau on your device. If you're new to Tableau, it's a powerful tool for data visualization, widely used across various industries. Having it installed and ready to go is your first step toward harnessing its capabilities. Once you have Tableau up and running, the next thing you'll need to do is connect to a data source. This could be a spreadsheet, a database, or even a cloud-based source. The idea here is to pull in the data you want to visualize. Remember, the quality and structure of your data will greatly influence your visualizations, so make sure your data source is well organized and reliable. Now that your data is loaded, identify the axis you wish to modify. This is crucial because adjusting the axis incorrectly can lead to misunderstandings in your data interpretation. Find the axis that you want to start at 0 and right-click on it. Right-clicking will bring up a context menu, your gateway to various editing options in Tableau. From the options provided, select Edit Axis. This will open a dialog box where you can make the necessary adjustments. It's in this dialog box that much of the magic happens. You'll see several options pertaining to your axis, including range settings. Look for the axis range options. This area allows you to refine the start and end points of your axis. If your axis isn't already starting at 0, this is where you can change that. You'll want to select the option that fixes the start at 0. This standardizes your visualizations, making sure each one reflects the reality of your data accurately without any misleading scales. While you're there, take a look at the end range as well. It might be beneficial to set the end to automatic. This allows Tableau to determine where your axis should end, giving your data visualization some room to breathe and adapt as new data is incorporated. This flexibility is especially useful in dynamic datasets, where values might change over time. These adjustments ensure your visualizations are intuitive and easy to read, providing insights that are true to your data's story. Adhering to these steps will enhance the clarity of your Tableau dashboards and make your data narratives compelling. I hope you found this tutorial both informative and easy to follow. By setting a zero axis, you improve the precision and perceptibility of your data visualizations. Thank you for joining me today, and if you have any questions or thoughts, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy data visualizing.